Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add someone on Google Chat. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Google Chat application on our phone. And if you want to find someone on your Google Chat, you can click on the search in chat and you can input the email address right here. For example, I'm going to find this account. Make sure that you input the correct email address so you can find the account. Okay, like this. Alright, and this is the matching citation. This is the account I want to find. Then we can just tap on the account. Okay, and we can start chatting right here. I'm going to send a chat. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add someone or find someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.